In this lecture, we will discuss about seed marketing, structure and organization, sales generation activities, promotional media, factors affecting seed marketing, role of WTO and OECD in seed marketing. Seed marketing is an arrangement for distribution of seed based upon place of requirement and production of seed based according to demand, so that each farmer can easily get high quality seed at suitable price. For this purpose, committees and units are established at different levels which works for following points: need of entire area, location of market, arrangement of marketing and distribution, appointment of private seed distributors and dealers, and proper arrangement of transportation. Thus, seed marketing is an important part of seed industry. Following points are studied in seed marketing: acquisition and selling of packed seed, intermediate storage, delivery of seed, and sales promotional activities. There are five main components of seed marketing: forecasting of seed demand, supply of seed, structure of seed market, seed sales promotion, and seed pricing. First component is forecasting of seed demand. Production of seed depends upon supply of seed, and supply of seed depends upon demand of seed as shown in the flowchart. So forecasting of seed demand is very important. Thus, forecasting of seed demand is helpful in making plan of seed production and distribution. As a result, farmers do not face problem of low availability of seed in the market, and price and benefit remain fixed. There are two types of forecasting of seed demand: short-term forecasting and long-term forecasting. Short-term forecasting is helpful in determining quotation for seed dealers and manipulation of seed price, while long-term forecasting is helpful in making decision related with investments, selection of site for production and storage, and developing infrastructure of marketing. Following two statistical methods are used for long-term forecasting: time series analysis and regression analysis. In estimation of seed demand, gross requirement is estimated by using formula GR is equal to A into seed rate, where A is equal to annual cultivated area. Net annual requirement can be estimated by using formula NAR is equal to GR divided by T, where T is equal to seed replacement period. Estimation of hybrid seed demand is simple than of self-pollinated crops because hybrid seeds are replaced every year. Agronomists suggest the farmers to replace the seed after every 4 to 5 years because farmers do not believe easily on new variety. Seed demand is determined by price and quality of seeds. If the difference of seed price and commercial crop price is low, the seed demand will be more. And if the difference of seed price and commercial crop price is more, the seed demand will be less. Second component of seed marketing is supply of seed. In India, seed is supplied by following three organizations: private seed growers, seed corporations, and cooperative societies. There are five main factors which affect the process of seed supply, as seed production, area under foundation seed, regional storage facilities, seed distribution system, and price and demand of particular seed. Seed production and seed supply are related with each other positively. More seed production leads to more seed supply. But seed production is a risky occupation as it requires high technical information, more funds should be available, risk of rejection of seed certification and risk of seed replacement as seed production and marketing take about 18 months time. During this period, if plant breeder release a new variety, then there will be fear of replacement of seed by new variety. Area under foundation seed. More availability of foundation seed leads to more certified seed production, which further leads to more seed supply. Foundation seed production is under National Seed Corporation from the start. Initially, foundation seed is produced at central farms, but later foundation seed production also start at farms of contracted growers and state farms. Regional storage facilities. Seed supply get reduced in the absence of storage facility. National Seed Corporation established regional seed storage in many areas. State Seed Corporation also established seed stores at different areas of state. Emergency seed storage facility should also be available. Seed distribution system. Good distribution arrangement leads to more seed supply. If the improved variety seed or hybrid seed is not supplied timely to farmers, then they are forced to use seed available at the farm. Initially, the seed was distributed by agriculture departments and cooperative societies of state governments. But nowadays, seed corporations appoint their distributors at many main places where seed make available easily. Price and demand of particular seed. Demand and supply are related negatively with seed price. More price leads to low demand, which further leads to low supply. As a result, farmers use commercial product as seed. Third component of seed marketing is structure of seed market. As shown in the flowchart, farmer can purchase or exchange seed with neighbor farmer. Farmer can purchase or exchange seed with registered grower. Farmer can purchase seed from cooperative societies at low prices. Government purchase seed and distribute to farmers via agriculture officer and area development officer. Non-government or semi-government agencies distribute seed through network of seed distributors and seed dealers. The functions of central marketing cell are storage of seed, processing of seed, packing of seed, store the seed until the seeds are supplied to dealers, appointment of seed dealers, seed sales promotions, and seed price determination. As shown in the flowchart, Central Marketing Cell established many regional units. Each regional unit has following components: sole distributors private, dealers private, dealers cooperatives, dealers agro sales service centers, and company or corporation sales centers. Fourth component of seed marketing is seed sales promotion. The farmer demand for good seed has to be awakened and stimulated. Participation of the company or corporation and the dealers is essential in the publicity efforts. The distributors make use of various publicity materials to demonstrate the characteristics of newly released varieties to mobilize the farmers to buy them. For this purpose, they make personal contact with the farmers. They arrange public meetings to explain about the production potentialities of these seeds. They show them the seed samples and give them the guarantee to make up their loss in case of seed failure. Dealers' involvement in providing the farmers the informations regarding new agricultural techniques and solving their problems time to time also may be helpful in gaining their confidence. Fifth component of seed marketing is seed pricing. Generally, the price of seed is more than the commercial product. An ideal price of seed will be which allows sufficient margin for the seed producers and justified profit to the seed companies. So the new producers are encouraged and better processing and distribution facilities are developed. The price of the seed should not be so high that the farmers give up the demand for improved seed. The final price of certified seed is affected by various factors as input costs, demand and supply, and price of commercial product. National Seed Corporation acts as a model for other marketing organizations which fix their prices on the basis of NSC seeds. They increase or decrease their prices according to the supply, whereas NSC has a uniform price at national level. The following costs are included in fixing the prices of seed by NSC: procurement price, seed processing cost, transportation cost, certification cost, supervision cost, interest on capital and profit margin, and dealer's commission. Now we will discuss about role of OECD in seed marketing. OECD stands for Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. This organization was established in 1958. It certifies the seeds moving in international market. 61 countries are members of this organization. The main aim of this organization is encourage the use and production of high quality seeds. Now we will discuss about role of WTO in seed marketing. WTO stands for World Trade Organization. WTO help different countries to make the smooth, fair, free and predictable trade of seed at international level.